Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Joe from Precision Racing, and today we're going to talk to you about the PR Mustang twin turbo package. As you can see, the engine bay essentially looks factory. However, this thing is capable of up to 1200 horsepower with the right supporting mods. This particular car is fitted with our Stage 1 kit, which taps out your factory fuel system at 670 horsepower on 98 octane fuel. We've been developing this package over the last couple of years, completely designed, built and tested in-house using only the best quality products. For example, the Plasmanian intercooler, plasma clamps throughout, which ensure that there's no possible boost leaks, as well as the Turbo Smart wastegates, boost control, blow-off valve and engine oil pressure regulator. And we're also using Beamer-esque crimp fittings throughout. Let's get this thing on the road and take you for a drive. So we're in Steve's 2019 Mustang. This car has the 10-speed auto and our Stage 1 twin turbo package on it. And I really just want to take you for a drive to show you how well this car behaves. So it essentially drives like factory under light load and cruise conditions, then comes to life as soon as you command a little bit more throttle. A lot of people ask about lag and everything with turbocharged cars. It's not noticeable. There's essentially zero lag with this setup. The way it's all been designed and the sizing of the turbochargers, there is no lag. It's building boost instantly, so as soon as you're ready to go wide open throttle, it's already there, ready to go. The 10-speed auto helps keep you in that power band at all times. So it's not even a question. You can happily cruise along in normal mode and the car will, like I said, behave like factory. You can drive it as a daily or a weekender, whatever you prefer. And then when you're ready to maybe have a little bit of a spirited drive, it's obviously ready to go as well. You can't beat it, really. I love the way everything works together. A lot of people ask turbo or supercharge, and look, it is very, very personal opinion. Each have their pros and cons. Now, supercharge is a very linear torque curve, whereas turbocharged is more of a torque hit in the mid-range and carries it all the way to the peak rev range. The turbos have a much more efficient power band, in my opinion. They're a lot more versatile. For example, this Stage 1 turbo package is capable of making as little as 500 horsepower all the way up to about 1200 horsepower with the right supporting mods, obviously. Whereas if you purchase a supercharger kit, you're very limited to what that supercharger kit can produce. And if you do eventually want more in the future, you actually physically have to remove, sell, and replace the supercharger. Whereas obviously you don't have to do that with this kit. This is the same kit that is on the Stage 2 Plus or Stage 3 car that is capable of 1200 horsepower at the wheels. Again, the 10-speed going through the gears just so nicely. You can hear the turbos whistle. You really, really can't compare it. Part throttle. Whistles, yeah, at the speed limit very, very quickly. And just cruise along in 10th gear, 80 Ks, no problems. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do have any questions on any of our packages, don't be shy to give us a call, send us a message, and we'll be happy to help out. Thank you.